Today, I'll walk you through how to add custom fonts in the Google Docs app, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to enhance your documents with unique typography so you can make your work stand out. First, let's get started by opening Google Docs. Simply navigate to the Google Docs website. You can do this by typing Google Docs into your search engine or directly entering the URL. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see a clean interface ready for your creativity. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Next, type the document you want to work on. This could be anything from a simple note to a detailed report. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Google often updates its interface. Just focus on getting your text down on the page. This is your canvas. Now let's change the font. Click on the font drop-down menu located in the toolbar at the top of the screen. This is where the magic begins. You'll see a list of default fonts, but we want to explore more options, so click on More Fonts. In the More Fonts window, you'll find a vast selection of additional fonts. You can search for specific styles or scroll through the list to find one that catches your eye. Click on any font that you want to add to your collection. Once you find a font you like, simply click on it to select it. This is like picking out a new outfit for your text. After you've chosen your font, you'll want to highlight the text you want to change. This is similar to highlighting a passage in a book. It draws attention to the important parts. Once your text is highlighted, it's time to apply the new font. Finally, click on Done to save your changes. Your selected font will now be applied to the highlighted text, giving your document a fresh and personalized look. And there you have it. You've successfully added custom fonts in the Google Docs app. Remember, customizing your documents can make a significant difference in how your content is perceived. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.